Itong constituency work daw kasi na ito, meron sagot din si Attorney Claire dyan. Kaya nga sabi ko, itong video natin na ito ngayon, itong live stream natin na ngayon, mga kamads natin, this is very masustansya.
Nag-inawa na ito.
Diba?
Ay! Look at people! Ay, in the water, bita-bita, in the water.
Protecting rapid
Wow! Wait! I'm in the water too.
No, let's talk about that. Pag-recess ba? Alam ko ayaw. Gusto niyo pag-usapan yung yung kay Fiscal EJ, na dalawa lang daw ang karapatan ng isang resource person. Right?
Wait, that's the potential.
You want to talk about that?
Wait, there's still life on that. Wait. Wait, there's a bean kid tuna. Wow, I need a puppet. Wow, you mean the puppet? Is it be in the puppet too? Yes, should it be in the puppet too? Wow, wait, jump. See with the boys. I go to the box. Wait. Wait, take a picture of them. Take a picture of them.
Take a picture of them.
See, wait. What happened to my eye?